Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
How are you, ma'am?
Very fine, thank you.
Ma'am, tell me about your organization.
Okay, my school is Sanatan Dharam Public School, that is the SD Public School, BU Block Pitampura.
Okay.
And this school has been established, I think, 27 or 28 years back.
Okay.
And I'm teaching computer science over there to the classes 11th and 12th classes.
Okay.
Fine. And on behalf of our principal, ma'am, Mrs. Anita Sharma, I'm appointed here to collect the award for my school.
Okay, ma'am. So we would like to ask a question to you.
Yes,
that
ma'am.
what are the significant challenges that education system is facing these days, and how these can be minimized?
Okay. There are so many challenges which I am realizing now these days, specifically to the middle classes and the senior classes.
Okay.
Like the students have come to the 10th class or they have come to the 8th class, but they don't have the basic knowledge about or the deep knowledge about their subjects actually.
Okay.
So what I am thinking that they have come in class 11th class, but the few students are there, they even don't know the tables are also there. I don't understand that how they have cleared the class 10th. That means they are doing only and only theory part. No practical part is going on. And they are just doing the rectification for all the topics they are doing. So this is not giving the good result. They might clear the classes. They can reach to the senior classes. But actually they are not learning anything over there.
Exactly.
So what I want that whatever we are teaching to the students, it should be totally practical oriented base over there.
Okay.
Activity based over there. And there are certain students also, they are not having a good caliber to do all mathematics and science subjects. So another new subject should be introduced, like skill subject. I have come here specifically and I've seen that the skill enhancement is going on over there.
Yes,
I think the skill subject should be introduced to the students. Latest we have done this financial literacy skill subject.
Okay.
This is going on in our school for the 6th class students and the 7th class students, where and at the age of 12 or 13 years or 14 years in the class of 6, they are learning how to make the little balance sheets. They are learning.
Okay.
They are learning the new words which are used in the banks or any financial periods over there. So all skill subjects should also be introduced. There is another artificial intelligence we are using over there.
Right.
We are using information technology subject is there. CB has introduced lots and lots of skill subjects, but it is not been implemented thoroughly in all these subjects. We have introduced 2-3. It will take time that the students will come up with the good flying colors and with the good results over there. So this is what I want. The students should come to the senior level with the deep knowledge and the activities they are learning. They should know that this is actually happening over there, not the ratification they have done and they have come to the senior classes. The studies or the education should be there to make them intelligent also. I think this is a major, drawback of this education system is there. That's all, because I have seen in the foreign also. Recently, I visited the foreign Canada and Europe country also. There I saw they are teaching one topic and they are teaching deeply, taking 2-3 months to the students. They are doing lots and lots of activities just based on this topic. And we have variety of topics are there. Curriculum is so big. That means the student is not learning anything. Yeah, he's doing rectification because he has to clear. There the curriculum is very, very less, and less curriculum making the student very, very intelligent.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very
so
much.
ma'am,
Thank you,
for
ma'am.
having
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.